Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare prawns biryani. This recipe is my version of prawns biryani. It is very simple to make and absolutely delicious. So without any further ado, let's get started. In a vessel, heat 500 ml of refined oil. Once the oil is heated, add in finely sliced 5 large onions and fry the onions till it turns golden brown. Once the onions are nicely golden brown, add in 4 large sliced tomatoes. Add in 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now cook this till it loses its raw flavor. It's now time to add the prawns biryani masala. I have listed the ingredients. In case if you don't have the East Indian fish masala or bottle masala, you can replace it with normal biryani masala. After adding the prawns biryani masala, saute this on low flame for around 2 to 3 minutes. Once the masala is cooked, I'm going to add the prawns which I have cleaned and deveined. Mix all the ingredients well along with the prawns and let this cook on medium-low flame for around 2 to 3 minutes. While the prawns are getting cooked, along with the other ingredients, add 200 grams of curd. Mix well and add salt according to your taste. While the prawns are getting cooked with the masala, I have added 4 to 5 slit green chilies along with chopped coriander leaves. Once the prawns are completely cooked, turn off the heat and let this rest aside for around 10 minutes. In a vessel, take generous amount of water, add the whole garam masala spices and salt as per taste, cover it with its lid and bring it to a boil. When the water starts to boil, add the soaked rice into it. While the rice is cooking, add in half a lemon juice and 1.5 tablespoon of oil. These two ingredients will help the rice grains to not stick to each other. Now cook the rice till it's around 80% cooked. Strain the water from the rice and keep the rice aside. Now let's start to assemble the layers of the prawns biryani. Here I have divided the prawns masala into 2 portions, and in one portion I have added half of the rice and I'm mixing it very well so that all the masala is nicely mixed along with the rice. Make sure you use a gentle hand while mixing the prawns masala along with the rice. Add in the second layer of plain rice and spread it out evenly. Add in the second layer of prawns masala and spread it out evenly. Add in the remaining rice on top of this layer. Once the layers are well placed, let's garnish it. Here I have added a little bit of leftover masala and I have spread it out evenly. Add in a handful of fried onions along with chopped coriander leaves and with some sliced tomatoes. Now cover the vessel using silver foil and make sure that it's nicely covered so that no steam escapes. Place the tawa on the gas and the vessel above the tawa and cook the biryani on low flame for around 20 minutes. Turn off the heat and remove the foil after 15 minutes of resting time. And the prawns biryani is ready to be served. Combine the biryani well such that the masala and the rice is well combined, but do not stir it hard as the rice might break. And not forgetting, serve this prawns biryani with some tomato, onion, cucumber raita or any other raita of your choice. So friends, as much as you liked watching this video, please do give it a try and let me know in the comment section below. Happy cooking! If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click the bell icon to receive latest updates from me. Thanks for watching.